So we are here. First one, that is the trigonometry functions. So in trigonometry function, your first topic is relation between the degree measurement and radiant measurement. So there is a relation between the degree and radiant measurement, that pi radiant is equals to 180 degree. This is the relation. And when we need to change 1 radian to the degree measurement, that time 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi. So by using all this concept, we can change the radian to degree and degree to radian. And when we want to change the degree to the radian, that time 1 degree means pi by 180 radian. So now if we talk about the first exercise of chapter 3, so your first two questions, we need to change degree radian to the degree corresponding degree to the radiant measurement. So हमने पहले ही क्या डिस्कस किया थियरी के अंदर कि that 180 degree means pi radian, ये होता है. So when we changes to 1 degree, that is pi by 180. And if you need to change the pi radian to the degree, so in pi radian, you can simply say pi radian is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi. This is the degree measurement. Now, if we take the first question of exercise 3.1, that is 25 degree, and we need to change 25 degree to the radian. So simply in solution, we will multiply 25 degree to the radian. That means 25 into pi by 180. So this will changes to radian. So it's a 5 5 ja, and this side 5 3 ja 15 6 ja. Okay, so your final answer is 5 pi by 36 radian. No need to substitute the value of pi. Okay, this is the easy question, na? That the question number 1, 3, and 5, 1, 3, and 4. Simply you have to multiply 180 pi by 180 to change into radian. Now let's see the question number 2. That is minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. So you can see here in the radiant or in the reverse, only we can use the reverse process from second, then to minute, then from minute to degree. So the concept is, if 1 degree is there, so 1 degree means 60 minutes, and the minute is represented by the 60 dash. So we can simply say that if 60 minute is equals to 1 degree, then 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree. So now this concept can be used in the question number 2. So this is the relation between the minute and degree. That means 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree. So let's convert to degree first. So instead of minus 47 degree and 30, minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. So when we need to change it, we can write here 47 degree plus as a 31 minute. Sorry, 30 minutes. This one. Now let's change this to degree, minus 47 degree plus 30 by 60. Now this value is also changes to degree.
Yes, sir.
So finally it become minus 47 degree plus 30 by 60 is half degree,
1/2.
1 by 2. So we can write this one as a 47 integer 1 by 2. So now let's multiply it, and you have to change the mixed fraction to the proper fraction. So it finally becomes 95 by 2. This is in the degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now but we need to write in the radian. So from the degree to radian, we will simply multiply it by pi by 180.
180.
So minus 95 by 2 degree. This is the negative sign. So minus 95 by 2. Then it will be multiplied by the pi by 180 degree. So let's cut it by 5. 5 panja, 5 19 ja, 5 9 ja, and this one is 36. So your final answer is minus 19 pi by 72 radian. See, these are the combination of two different units. Two different units, that means ये डिग्री मेजरमेंट में और ये जो वैल्यू है ये मिनट के अंदर है. तो जब तक ये दोनों क्वांटिटी सेम या तो डिग्री में हो जाए या तो मिनट के अंदर हो जाए, टिल द टाइम वी आर नॉट एबल टू एड इट. सो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, जो मिनट वाला है 30 मिनट्स, फर्स्ट वी विल चेंजेस टू डिग्री.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we have divided by the 60. जब ये डिग्री में आ गया, so now these both the quantities are in the degree. तो हमने उसको ऐड कर दिया. So ऐड करो, so you have to take the LCM. So जब भी ऐसे फॉर्म में आए तो उसको मिक्स में लिख दो. That 47 integer 1 by 2 degree. इतनी डिग्री है. Now this one is the mixed fraction, so we have converted to improper fraction. So finally जब हमारे पास डिग्री मेजरमेंट में हो गया ना, then we have converted to the radian measurement. So these all values are in the radian and we need to find as a degree measurement. So we already know that pi radian, pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So simply we can say that, and it's a value of pi is 22 by 7. So you can also say that the 22 by 7 radiant is equals to 180 degree. So that's why 1 radiant is equals to 180 by pi degree. This is the measurement in degree. Now the first question that we have given, 11 by 16, this is in the radian. Now to convert in the degree, that 11 by 16 radiant is equals to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi. Now it's a degree measurement, so we need to substitute the value of pi. So if we substitute the value of pi, so it will be 11 by 16 into 18 by 22 by 7. So we can write 22 in the denominator and 7 is in the numerator. Now cut it. So 11 1 and this is 11 2 2 90 So 9 7 and okay, this is also divisible by 2. So it's a 2 8 ja 2 45. So it's a 45 45. So it's a 2 8 ja 16. So finally we have 45 into 7 upon 8. So it's a 45 7 ja 315 upon 8. And now if you need to change in the mixed fraction, you can do it. So it's a 8 3 is a 24. So it's a 39 integer 3 by 8 degree. Whenever you are going to change radian to the degree, that time you have to substitute the value of pi as a 22 by 7. Your third question is 5 pi by 3. So again this is in the radiant. हमेशा याद रखो radiant में है और हमें डिग्री में जाना है. So when we are converting radian to the degree, so we will simply multiply here 5 pi, that is pi. So you can simply cancel out pi pi.
Yes, sir.
No, we can't cancel it pi pi. So right now this one, that pi pi cancel. Don't be confused whether it is 180 degree or 22 by 7. उससे confuse नहीं होना है. कोई भी pi हो, pi pi will be cancelled. Now this one is 3 6 जा. So it's a 5 6 जा 30, 300 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now in the second question, that is the -4. So it is, देखने में आसान लग रहा है कि we have to write only -4, but -4 is more complicated. See how it is complicated when you want to change in the degree measurement. So 4 radian, that means we will multiply again 180 by pi. इससे multiply तो हमने कर दिया. Now the value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 and 7 is in the numerator. So it's a 2 2s are 2 11s are. Now you can check it, it is not divisible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you multiply it, now you will get minus 180 into 2, then it's a final 2520 upon 11. Now this is in the degree, but यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी कि whenever you are going to change in the degree measurement, ना आपको decimal use नहीं करना है, you have to use the long division method. So 11 2s are 22, 5 is remaining, then 2 11,
No. Sir, 3
it's
is
a 3
remaining. No?
3 is remaining, so 11 2s are again 22. Now 10 is remaining, then 11 9s are 99, so 1 is remaining. That means what, we are getting the 229 as a degree. मुझे ये तो डिग्री मिल गया. So how will you write this one? मैं इसको लिखूंगा as a mixed fraction. We will write this one as a minus 229, then 1 by 11 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now see 1 by 11 degree is जरा complicated है. So now you have to convert into the minute or second में convert करना होगा. So when you are going to change दिस वन दैट मीन्स 129 डिग्री तो हो गया। अब 1/11 डिग्री को सेकेंड मिनट में चेंज करना है। दैट टाइम अगेन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 60। तो जैसे 60 से मल्टीप्लाई किया ना, दैट विल चेंजेस टू मिनट। अब चलो जरा 60 को 11 से डिवाइड कर दो। So that 60 is divided by 11. So 11 5s are 55. 5 is remaining. So again हमारे पास क्या मिला, जो भी क्वार्टेंट मिला ना, that is the 5 मिनट, और ये हो गया 5/11 मिनट। फिर से ये अपॉन में चल रहा है। So this minute that means 5 integer 5/11 जो मिला, mixed fraction as a 5 integer 5/11. So this one is the complete minute. चलो ये तो मिनट में हो गया। अब ये जो आगे वाला मिनट है ना, that minute should be changes to सेंटीमीटर, सेकेंड, नॉट सेंटीमीटर। बार बार सेंटीमीटर आ जा रहा है। So this one is the minute. Now again 5/11 that should be, फिर से इसको 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करो। So now this one is changes to second. So -2 to 9 डिग्री, 5 मिनट, और ये क्या हो जाए